Conquer your home with a cozy cottage style. Choosing a decoration style is not just following a defined catalog, rustic, vintage, cottage. I think of it more as an internal search to build your style from the inside out. In reality, if we analyze, we seek to project a space full of harmony, fitting our tastes, our personality, and it can only be achieved when we identify ourselves as unique and special, and admirably recognize our design style by loving and selecting some objects such as furniture, chandeliers, or baskets. Ready to integrate your personal style into the decoration? Here we have a video to inspire you, in order to see your home with joy, and in each video you will find details that will help you improve your style and create your personal space. The successes of having a cottage style. Cottage-style decor often incorporates charming and whimsical elements such as floral patterns, vintage accents, and shabby chic furniture, adding a touch of personality and character to the space. The cottage style focuses on creating a comfortable and relaxed environment through the use of overstuffed sofas, cozy throw blankets, and plush rugs. In addition, cottage-style decor is versatile and timeless, making it suitable for a variety of spaces. It can easily be customized to suit your personal taste and preferences. If you are looking for something economical, cottage-style decor can be achieved on a budget, as it often involves repurposing and upcycling old furniture and accessories, as well as mixing and matching different styles and patterns. Another point in its favor, cottage-style decor is generally low maintenance and easy to care for, as it often features durable materials and practical furnishings that are meant to be lived in. Here you have a list of the essentials of the cottage style. 1. Rustic wooden furniture. Cottage-style interiors often feature furniture made from reclaimed or distressed wood, giving a cozy and lived-in feel to the space. 2. Floral upholstery and textiles. Think floral prints, gingham patterns, and soft pastel colors for pillows, curtains, and upholstery to add a touch of charm and whimsy to the room. 3. Vintage accents. Incorporating vintage accents such as chipped paint, worn finishes, and antique knickknacks can give the space a nostalgic and timeless appeal. 4. Natural materials. Opt for natural materials like stone, brick, and timber to enhance the rustic and cozy feel of the cottage style. 5. Soft, plush fabrics. Layering soft, plush fabrics like wool throws, cable knit blankets, and faux fur rugs can add warmth and comfort to the space. 6. Wicker or rattan objects. Wicker or rattan furniture pieces like chairs, baskets, and light fixtures can bring a casual, relaxed vibe to the cottage style. 7. Cottagecore decor. Embrace the cottagecore trend by incorporating elements like dried flowers, botanical prints, vintage china, and handmade crafts to create a whimsical and romantic atmosphere in the space. In the dining room. Finishes in cottage style are cozy because they typically incorporate warm and inviting elements such as soft colors, natural textures, and rustic details. These finishes create a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere that is reminiscent of a cozy country cottage. Additionally, the use of distressed and weathered finishes adds to the cozy appeal by giving the space a relaxed and lived-in feel. Overall, the finishes in cottage style are designed to evoke a sense of comfort and relaxation, making them perfect for creating a cozy and inviting home. White kitchens are often associated with cottage-style decor because they create a bright, airy, and clean aesthetic. The color white reflects light, making the space feel larger and brighter, which is often desirable in smaller cottage-style homes. White also gives a fresh and timeless look, which is characteristic of cottage-style decor that emphasizes comfort, simplicity, and a cozy atmosphere. Additionally, white can serve as a neutral canvas that allows for the incorporation of other cottage-style design elements such as natural wood accents, vintage-inspired decor, and colorful accents. Overall, a white kitchen can help create a charming and welcoming cottage-style space. In the bedroom, textures predominate in the cottage style because they add warmth, depth, and character to the space. Cottage style is all about creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Comment on what your style is and what objects predominate in your home. Vintage pictures are often used in cottage-style decor because they help create a cozy and nostalgic atmosphere. The aged look of the pictures adds a sense of charm and history to the space, while also serving as a reminder of simpler times. Additionally, vintage pictures can help tie together the overall aesthetic of a cottage-style room, adding to the rustic and traditional feel of the space. Overall, incorporating vintage pictures into cottage-style decor can help bring a sense of warmth and character to the home.